Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the Pedro Pascal eating sandwich trend on TikTok. First, we go on the TikTok app and search for Pedro Pascal eating sandwich. And click on the videos and try to find one where there's a CapCut Try This Template pop up. Click that and click the Use Template in CapCut. It will make you go directly to CapCut. And then we're just going to click the use template again on the bottom right corner. And then just find the photo or video that you want to put as the background. Here I'm just going to find one as an example really quick. Here just click the export on the top right corner and choose the option save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark, and this will make you go directly to TikTok again. After that, you can just put the caption here using the TikTok by clicking that text icon and just put whatever caption that you want. And if you want to put a sound as well, click the add sound on the top and then click the search icon and just search for the same thing, which is the Pedro Pascal eating sandwich, and just find the one that you like. Here I like this one, so I'm gonna click it and click the check icon or button, and there you go. You have made your Pedro Pascal eating sandwich trend. That is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.